two dishes: canned tuna in a capers tomato sauce and our avocado canned tuna salad. Guys, these are two amazing recipes, very simple ingredients, and is ready under 20 minutes. So I want to show you how we can elevate our simple canned tuna, our canned tuna, into something absolutely delicious that we can enjoy for either lunch or dinner. Let's jump right in, guys. First things first, I prepare the broccoli. I'm using baby broccoli. I wash, trim them. If you don't have baby broccolis and you have the regular broccolis, that is fine. I'm seasoning with black pepper, salt, onion flakes, sesame seed, oil. Combine everything together and saute them for 4 minutes on medium heat. In the same pot I used to cook the broccolini, I'm gonna start cooking the tuna. I'm adding thyme, tomato, basil, onion. This is some garlic mixture, yellow mustard, and capers. Let these saute until it looks something like this, around 2 minutes. Then we're adding our black pepper and some garlic powder. Guys, I've drained my 3 tunas and I'm dumping them all in, combining the tuna with all that nice goodness of herbs and aromatics and flavorings. And we're basically done. I'm adding all-purpose seasoning, and guys, it's a wrap. This is your tuna elevated with flavor and deliciousness. Guys, serve this up with whatever you desire, but for me, I had it with some rice noodles. I just cooked down these rice noodles with a chicken bouillon, and it was a wrap. I served this up with some avocado on the side and lemon wedges. So good. I hope this was helpful. Simple avocado tuna salad and some fried plantains. Guys, simple ingredients, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna transform it into something delicious. So the first thing I did was to empty out 2 cans of tuna, and these were tuna in water. I don't know if you do this, but whenever I take food from a can, I always wash it, especially fish, before I dump it in the bin, and sometimes I bore holes in them. Let me know if you practice this simple little technique when you're throwing away cans. Leave your feedback in the comment section, all right? To season up the tuna, I'm using the following seasonings. So guys, while the tuna is sitting here, and no, I'm not marinating the tuna. Not this time. But I thought it would be smart to start the polenta. So to a pot, I'm adding some chicken stock, and this is about 2 cups. I'm adding some coronation milk, which is 1 cup. Cornmeal looks simple, but it takes a little time to cook. Yeah, and this is the cornmeal I'll be using. Add some salt to your pot and some olive oil. And I'm using 1 cup of this cornmeal. Guys, you know, if your family bigger than 2, you double up the recipes in. And what I'm basically doing is whisking until the cornmeal becomes thick. Polenta recipe reminds me of turned cornmeal that we eat back home. If you want that version, guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. Once you see your cornmeal look like this, you see how thick it looks? You can cover it and let it go on steam. Guys, after about 5 minutes thereabout, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons unsalted butter. It's a lot of butter, don't? But you know, cornmeal, I want it to be creamy and nice. I'm also adding some Parmesan cheese that have already been grated. And basically this polenta is finished. Yeah, see how rich that look? I like the look. I love how it tastes. So good. Alright, so the polenta is finished. Let us continue working on this tuna avocado salad. We need onion, any onion of your choice, guys. I'm using red. We need a tomato. My grandmother used to say tomatis. Wow. And I'm cutting up the tomato with seed and everybody.
And we need some parsley.
Guys, tuna and avocado, this combination right here, they taste real good together. Give it a try.
To spruce up the salad, we need a dressing. Zine. So I don't have any in the refrigerator, so I'm gonna make a simple one with honey Dijon mustard, lemon juice, olive oil, black pepper, salt to taste. And we all set. I'm gonna give it a rigorous shake. Look at how rich this look, guys. And it tastes so good. You see how simple that is? Pour it over your salad. Stir, stir, stir. Taste your food. I always say that. Taste everything you cook and adjust your seasoning. And the avocado tuna salad. Man, oh man. You see how simple these ingredients are? This thing tastes so darn good. I forgot my one finger planting. And now it's time to play. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you're new here, to subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Share the recipe, man. You never know, your friend might need a recipe idea. And if you like what you're seeing, just give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Guys, I'll see you soon. Walk good. Peace.